go. Who's ready to go? Oh yeah. Let's go, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from CA Buildz. If you guys are new to the channel, tap that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Today we're back in our 2019 Ford F250. We got a whole bunch of work we need to do to it, so let me show you guys what we'll be doing. If you're new here and haven't seen this build yet, this is what we're working with. Some front end damage right there and a whole bunch of damage on the side. And today what I want to focus on is finishing up the interior. What we have left are these seats. Just got the covers back, so these were completely blown on the side from the airbag deploying right here. So we got those repaired. We got our new airbags right here. We're gonna throw these suckers on the side like that. The second one goes over there. And then throw on these covers on the seats, assemble them 100%, throw them on the truck, and our interior is basically gonna be 100% done. We got the current airbags in over there. We got our seat belts in. Everything over here is looking beautiful. So when we're done with the interior, we're gonna hop on the body. We're gonna put the fender on, put our new door on. It's somewhere in the back of the truck. Man, that Supra is looking beautiful back there. Then we're gonna hop on the body, try to do as much work as we can because this thing will be going to the paint shop sometime tomorrow, hopefully. And we need to get a lot of work done by then. Well, guys, the seats are put together and these things just look beautiful. Check these beauties out. You will never tell these things were deployed. Everything over here is sewn up and it's looking beautiful. You can't even tell which side was fixed. Same with this seat over here. Everything over here is nice and clean. They're all put together. The airbags are in and they are basically ready to get thrown in the car. So let's do that. Alrighty guys, the seats are in and this interior is just looking beautiful. Everything's put together and it's looking amazing. Those wrinkles are a little ugly over there. We will have to figure out what we'll be doing with that headliner, but everything else is looking beautiful. What we got to do now is hop on the exterior. We got our new door right there. We got our fender right here. And the door we did find by color, which is a very big plus because we don't have to paint the inside of it, which makes it a lot easier for us. We could just throw it on the truck and just paint the outside as we go. But for now, what I want to do is run to the store, get some paint so we could paint the inside of these fenders, inside over here and on top. So once we throw the fender on the car, we we won't have to take it off again when he's spraying everything all together. So we're gonna run to the store real quick, grab some paint, and get this thing sprayed. For a little Supra, this thing has a pretty good pull, but you do expect a little more from it. All right, guys, we're back from the store. We got our little paint booth set up. The fender's right here. Got some paint right there. And what we're gonna do first is scuff down all the areas that we're gonna spray. So just the insides over here and right there. And then we're gonna spray them. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just so it's one color underneath over there. You're not gonna really see it. So let's sand it and get it sprayed. All right, guys, we got the inside of the fender sprayed. It was super easy and quick. It looks perfect. We're gonna let this thing dry. And like always, when we're trying to spray anything, there's a whole bunch of wind, so I apologize if there is any wind noise. But while that's drying, we're gonna go hop on that door over there, take that whole thing apart. We're gonna take it off of the truck and throw everything on our new door. Well, not everything. We can't throw the door panel on just yet, but we'll swap everything from the old one to the new one, and then hopefully throw that one on the truck. Alrighty, guys, the truck is looking completely naked. We got the old door off right here, got it completely stripped. All we have to take off is the wiring now and throw everything on that door. But before we do that, we are gonna toss this door on the truck and try to align it and adjust the gaps right there. We already put on our rubber piece all around from that door on the new one. It's looking really good. We got all the pieces off of this one. This door panel, I think we'll still be reusing. It got a little bent right here, but I think I could heat it up, straighten it out, and we could still reuse that one. And most of these rubber pieces we can reuse as well, which is a really big plus. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this door, toss it on that truck, align it, and then probably throw the fender on. Alrighty, guys, check it out. We got the new door on, but it's super hard to get this thing aligned with one person because I have to like hold it up right here and then unscrew those bolts and screw them back in at the same time. And it's a big pain, but I mean, the door opens and closes good. It just needs to get aligned properly. But this door still needs to get fixed as well, and it will need to get aligned to this door. So So the guy will be fixing this door, will help me align this one, and we'll get everything straightened up and buckled in. But I'll leave the doors as is for now, and I'm not gonna throw the fender on just yet because we'll still need to mess with these hinges over here, and it'll be a lot easier with the fender off, so we'll leave that off for now. What I'm gonna do now is probably take apart this rear bumper over here because we will be color matching it to the truck. So the chrome pieces have to come off and just get everything ready for paint. So just strip it all down, all these pieces over here. Probably take off this door handle, the moldings, and just get everything ready for paint. We also have a front bumper somewhere in the backyard over there that we have to strip as well and just get all this stuff ready to get sprayed. A little crazy fact for you guys, the front door that I purchased is actually from a Ford F150 and it fits perfectly on a Ford F250. I guess the whole cab of the trucks are exactly the same, which is pretty crazy. But now let's start taking apart the parts and getting them ready for paint. All right guys, the rear bumper is all taken apart, it's all disassembled and ready to go. In the process I did crack my phone, so we'll need to get a new one of those. But now we just got the door left and the whole front bumper, so let's hop on that. Got our complete bumper right here, so we have to disassemble this whole thing. All the brackets, the fog lights, everything has to go. Where's just this bare metal right here, which we will spray, and then we'll probably hop on the door, disassemble that. And that's our rear bumper right here. Well, it's just the pieces left that we need to paint. The rest of it is somewhere over there, but we'll get these sprayed, color match the truck, and it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, buddy, what's up? Give me that toy. Go get it. Here we have it. These are all the parts that are off of the bumper, and it's just crazy. Imagine how much it would cost to piece this whole thing together. There's so many pieces going to it, and there's like a box full of bolts. This is just from the bumper, but it's all taken apart. Everything's ready to go, so you just gotta sand this and paint it. And then our door as well, take a look at this. So the trim is off, the door handle's off, and to take the door handle out, you gotta take out the door panel, which is all good. Because we'll still need to work on the door, so we'll need to do that either way. And I will be calling it a day here. We got a whole bunch of work done and the truck is basically ready to go to the paint shop. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys taking till the end. Let me know what you guys think of the build so far, and let me know what you guys think of the videos. And if you guys want to see something different, just drop your thoughts and comments down below. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the love and support. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.